Okay guys, pakita ko sa inyo kung kasi hindi kami magkakasya ditong tatlo sa kama. So meron kami biniling airbed. Kaya papakita ko sa inyo kung paano i-install. So yung isa, dalawa sila dito. Then si Makofman dito. Lalagyan na lang unan doon. Tapos ito ang paa niya. So airbed yan. Wait. Hold it.
Here we go. Oh, that's easy. Hi.
Here.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Got that. This is not a curse. If you're seeing this video, that means France is going to win. But if this video was sent to you, that means Spain
So
is
ito yun.
going to win.
So may airbed dito sa gitna. You wanna try? Oh.
It's gonna burst.
I wanna sleep on this.
Oh. Di ba?
I wanna sleep.
Maganda sana kung maliit lang siya, yung sakto lang dapat. Malaki, double siya kaya abot doon. Kaya pag ilalapag siya, kailangan wala mo ng hangin bago ilagay doon sa, bago siya bubumbahan. Try ba, be, alis ka nga muna be. Si Uwa nga. So tinan ko lang kung hindi siya tatama dito sa may bukol dito eh. I think it's not right.
I'll just sleep like this.
No, doon ang ulo mo.
Oh,
Yeah.
well, I'll sleep on the chair.
Hindi
I wanna
ganyan.
sleep on the other. I'll sleep. Oh,
Golly, we can fit.
yeah, we can literally fit.
No, it's not.
Look. Look.
No.
Yes, we can.
There's like no space. I can't breathe.
Oh, there's no space. Oh. Wag na bebe.
Look.
Wag ka na nga dyan. You're so big. Yeah, yan lang ang ano. Dyan ang isa. May airbed siya dyan. kasi yung ibang truck kasi, meron siyang double bank na, right? Meron siyang bank na... Ito kasi, pang single lang talaga na driver. Ito. So ngayon, bumili kami sa Canadian Tire, $21. Or dito kayo sa gitna. Here. Here. Gitna.
What do you mean?
Ha?
I'll be in the front.
Like this?
Yeah. Ilagay ko ng
I'll do that, pa. Pa, I wanna do that.
Walang, kaso lang mahuhulog sa gitna. Walang, ano eh, walang harang eh.
No, what happens over here and someone farts and you smell
The
it?
what?
What happens when you're sleeping like this and but your butt is facing towards the person and then
Yeah.
you fart
It's so
and
hot.
then you kick it?
Yeah, buksan ko na aircon.
Can you add the other one?
Yeah, lalagyan. Wow, okay ka na?
Well, I
Dito?
on this side,
Yeah. Okay ka na dito?
Yeah.
I wanted to sleep right
Kasi
here.
kagabi dyan ako natulog nung nandun kami sa Minnesota. Dyan ako.
How
Bro,
did you fit here?
Well, I go all the way there. I put the, yung unan.
oh, I can sleep like this.
No, hindi nga.
Why?
Dito ko na sa taas.
I
Oh.
wanna sleep like this.
Dito ko na sa taas. So, merong airbed sa gitna. Kaya kung magtataka kayo, paano kami magkakasya? Ha? Ha?
It's more comfortable.
You want in the bed? Dito ka na kasi mas maano ka. Then tomorrow morning, gigising kita.
He said he wants to be on
Sige na. So,
But he
matutulog
said-
na kami,
He
guys.
said he wanted to be on the bed.
Yes, tutulog na kami. Tanggalin mo yun, Wa. Tanggalin mo, please. No. Here. Yeah, ilagay mo sa balik, ilagay mo sa loob. No! Ilagay mo to doon sa loob.
Oh,
Yeah, ilagay mo sa loob. No, here. Ayusin mo. Yun, the other side. Ayusin mo, matama ng kapatid mo. So, tutulog na kami. I'll see you
Wow,
guys
I wanna try with pillow.
bukas ng umaga, pag-alis namin. Good morning mga choy. Good morning internet. Nagbigla kayo Good morning. Ito kasing aking DJ. Good morning viewers. Good morning Floyd Ayua. So ang oras ngayon ay alas 5:33 na ng umaga. Umaga akong gumising mga 4. Yeah, dapat nakalis na ako. Pero anyway, sa pagising ko, itong isa gumising na rin itong isa. Gaga pa. Sanay na siya na gumising kasi yung mama niya minsan pag umalis ng 5 o'clock yung mom niya going to work ay tawag dito, gising na rin siya. Good morning to them. Meron nga palang meron akong sasagutin ng mga na question from Facebook na comments, si Nelson Bacosmo, kung pwede palang isama sa biyahe yung bata. The same as mga question na ito. And si John Bukaw, maganda sana, ingat lang kasi hindi kasama sa insurance in case no passenger allowed sa company vehicles. And si Zimug Otnos, hindi ba daw violation sa inyo ang internal policies? And I think that's it. Si Violet Summer, is that allowed by the truck company? So yeah, bago ko to sinama yung aking anak, bago ako decide na kasama sila, kinausap ko yung company, yung pinaka-head mismo, no? Hindi siya pwede, sabi niya, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin hindi ko pwedeng sabihin oo. Sabi, na-gets ko agad yung ibig niyang sabihin. Gusto niyang mangyari ay, I mean, gusto niyang sabihin is, gusto niyang mangyari is, tama yung nasa comment. Hindi, hilaan mo muna saglit ba? Yung insurance policy, no? Ng mga bata. So sa internal policies, pwede. Kasi nagsama na ako before eh. Wala namang problema. Doon lang sa insurance. So sa insurance, kinuha ko sila ng kinuha ko sila ng insurance sa Winnipeg, sa kakilala namin sa Sun Life ba yun? Passport namin. So meron silang insurance na take 5 million each. $5 million just in case. So yun nga sabi ko, meron kayong dapat na travel insurance. Kita nyo? Travel insurance, this is worth, yeah, amount of coverage, I don't know, amount of coverage is $5 million each. So lahat yan sila tig-isa 5 million kasi nga hindi sila covered sa company, hindi sila covered sa company insurance namin sa Q-Line. Kaya nga dun sa first video ko, nung una kaming lumabas, ay paliwanag ko na ano yung mga kailangan ninyo pag gusto nyo isama yung company. But of course, itatanong nyo muna sa company policy, sa kumpanya ninyo kung pwede, no? Ngayon, kung papayag yung company ninyo na isama yung isa sa inyong family, your wife, your kids, your friends, then feedback mo yung notify mo yung dispatch or planner mo na meron kang isasama sa family member mo. Then para yung passport, kailangan mong ipa-Xerox, kopya ng passport, kasi i-input nila yun sa system nila. Then para mailagay din sila sa tawag dito, manifesto ng pag-cross mo ng border. Kasi kung hindi sila kasama sa manifesto, kahit pinaalam mo sa opisina, wala siya sa manifest, no? Kahit may passport sila, hindi pa rin siya pwedeng isama. So ang mangyayari, nandun sa manifest yung pangalan mo lang as driver, wala kang passenger. So silang dalawa, pagpasok mo ng Amerika, US border, pabababain sila ng custom or ng officer na naka-duty kasi hindi sila nakasama sa manifesto. So kailangan, importante din ang manifesto na naka-declare passenger 1, passenger 2, then driver. Then second, yung consent letter kung under or minor yung kasama mo. Ito minor, si McCaufman is 16. So under minor pa rin sila. So kailangan merong consent sa wife mo na sinama mo sila. Sasama mo yun, pagbigay mo dun sa papel, kagaya nung kung napanood nyo yung previous video, papakita mo yung consent na kasama itong dalawa. Meron silang consent sa kanilang mama na sumama. And yung tawag dito, yung insurance, keep mo lang in case na hanapin yung insurance, at least meron kang insurance na ipapakita sa officer. So they are insured $5 million. I think that's Canadian. And kasi sa Canada ko kinuha. And si McCaufman is $5 million ang kanilang insurance. Kasi yun nga, hindi sila kasama sa insurance policy ng company. Just in case anong mangyari, insured sila ng $5 million each. Okay? And meron akong mga nababasa dun sa previous video, yung unang labas namin, na di ba, na-hold kami sa CBP dahil nga yung ito ayaw ko sana sabihin pagbibideo na nakikita yung officer kasi nandun mga comments Ngayon nakita ko yung nung kausap ko yung officer dun sa loob habang chine-check nila yung aking YouTube, pinakita niya sa akin yung ito ayaw ko sanang sabihin, ayaw ko sanang isama, no? But ang dami yung comments dun sa baba, pinakita nila dun sa computer yung mga pinapanood na, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, i-check lang nila through ChatGPT, Google, kung sino yung mga gumagawa ng content ng Tracking Vlog. Pinakita niya sa akin yung channel name ni Ilocano. Yeah. Siya yung tinanong niya ako kung kilala ko to si itong taon to, di ba? Long hair na rin siya, parang na rin siya si Marco, no? Long hair na rin. Kasi ako nagpaputol ako ng buhok. Long hair siya. So siya yung, sabi niya, kilala mo to? Sabi ko, kilala ko siya. Pinakita niya yung mga videos na nandito yung camera, kuha yung officer. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo before, na i-blur yung mukha, pero still ayaw nila yung may nare-record ng boses. So pinakita niya sa akin, kilala mo to, kilala ko siya. Ang dami niyang mga videos doon, nakita yung mukha ng officer. And then itong isa, itong kaibigan ko rin, si Jin, I hope nanonood ka. So pinakita rin niya sa akin tong tracking channel ni Jin, no? Kaya meron pa siyang sinabi at meron siyang pinakita ng isang truck vlogger, pero hindi siya Pilipino, parang ano siya, Indiano ang channel name niya. So kumbaga nasa siguro sa mga ibang port of entry ng Amerika, well, I don't know, baka naka-noted na lahat doon sa port of entry ng Amerika na ito si, i-check nyo to, pag scan ng passport, i-check nyo to. Yung si Ilocano at saka si Jin, nasa bulletin nila na in case, in any time na mag-cross at ma-check yung kanilang passport, for sure ma-hold sila. And doon nga sa mga nakikitang mukha, I don't know kung paano, pero promise, pinakita sa akin nung kinat ko lang, sinabi ko na yun doon sa previous una, pero kinat ko siya, hindi ko siya sinama. Yung pag-alis na namin from after ng CBP, pag-alis namin, may kinat ako doon, mahaba yun pero hindi ko na siya sinama dahil nga pero nababasa ko sa comments ninyo ito, let's Q-line be. Q-line so kasama sila doon sa lookout na matsambahan na dadaan sila. So mga-question sila ngayon, then papakita sa kanila yung mga videos nila. Kasi yung sa akin, pinakita niya sa akin yung videos, but yun nga sabi ko na yung mga thumbnail nyo lang nakikita na may mga officer, but that's come from ChatGPT, not from mismo sa content na ni-screenshot ko, then ginawa ko siyang thumbnail through ChatGPT. So ChatGPT na nag-generate ng mga CBP officer na ilalagay niya doon. So that's it. Anyway, almost done sa aking trip. So ingat lang sa pag-cross ulit ng border. Ako, I'm not gonna do it again. Kasi yun nga, nasita na ako, ayaw nila. So be it. Si Canada, so far, wala pa namang ganyan sa Canada. And si US lang ang medyo mahigpit na ngayon. Sinabi ko nga sa kanya, si yung kilala na trucker vlogger sa Amerika, si Bruce Wilson, nang magpasok siya ng scan niya sa loob ng Amerika from Canada, no? Binili niya sa Canada. Kung nanonood kayo sa kanya, kita-kita yung mukha ng officer. Siguro that time hindi rin alam nung vlogger na bawal, kasi first time niyang pumasok yata sa Canada, sa America from Canada, na may bit-bit siyang So that's it mga Choy, mga viewers. So ready na kami sa sa aming ready na kami sa aming third trip. So kung anong feedback ng dispatch ko ngayon, baka may balak silang malapit lang kasi yung Washington, baka in case na Washington pagkatapos ng unloading. So itong dalawa ibababa ako sa Winnipeg kasi sa Monday meron siyang tatawag na youth sa soccer summer camp soccer. So sa
Good medals.
sa Monday, so di ko siya pwedeng isama. Si Man okay lang sana dahil sa 27 pa yung nila alis nila sa papuntang Montreal.
I wanna go.
Where? What do you have?
Yeah, but that's not like till now. That's in 5 days.
Yeah, but that's on Monday I think.
I mean,
Then if Monday
I can just still come for 1 day
one day,
or like 2 days.
but the problem is if they're gonna send me doon sa Washington and the load will pick up on Monday, the next Monday, so hindi ka makakasama doon sa summer camp mo. Parang gusto pa sumama.
Wait, can I come after my summer camp?
If after summer camp, no, hindi ka na makakasama kasi if ever na mag summer camp ka on Monday and then I'm gonna leave on Monday, so hindi ka na makakasama.
Well, you're leaving on Monday, like you come.
Yeah.
You're gonna watch you play.
Ano, I'm gonna leave Monday morning, bro.
Which Monday?
Monday morning. Next week, if ever na meron akong load ulit pabalik here, I'm gonna leave on Monday morning. Parang nawili sa pagsama sa tracking. Anyway, another 11 hours drive.
Turn left on Grove Street, then take the second left.
Makapasok kami ngayon sa Canada. Sana. Kasing haba din naking dito ng Iowa hanggang South Dakota today.
Keep right to US 18. Start recording.
Ano na yung
2
gumot?
kilometers, turn right on South Grand Avenue.
Iwanan mo na yung gumot. You wanna buy something? Ha? Seatbelt, mag-seatbelt. Seatbelt. Yeah, there's a Walmart there. Remove the kumot.
right at the traffic light.
We're gonna go straight. We should turn right here.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the second right.
There you go, be. The big Walmart.
Huh?
Wow.
No, I cannot.
Here we go.
I just slept for like a little bit.
No.
I did. I slept.
Yeah, we're
Turn
allowed
left,
to park.
then take the first left. In 300 meters, turn right, then take the first right.
What? Let's go.
In 200 meters, turn right, then take the first right.
Okay, we're here.
Like this?
Yeah, there's nothing, ano. Ah, to pala. To. Here, side. We're gonna take to both sides of parking. Kagandahan ng Walmart dito. Luag. Accessible lang siya sa highway. Hindi masyadong busy. That's for the brush. Shoes.
Why is it sticky?
Yeah. Kita mo yung sa bahay natin? Ayaw sumama ng lalaki. Tulog daw siya. Ano bibilin mo sa loob? Ha? Wala kang nasa isip, ano?
Yeah. I have nothing in my mind to buy.
Ha?
I have nothing in my mind to buy.
I'm gonna buy orange. Ano na?
I have nothing to buy.
Nothing to buy?
I don't know what to buy.
I don't know what to buy.
This giant chicken. What to buy?
Ihi ka muna. Ha? Washer muna tayo. So anyway guys, yan, Spencer. Hello, Spencer. Ibang-ibang Walmart dito. Ito mo, tahimik, malaki. Iba yung ambience. Here. Iba yung ambience. Feel na feel mo talagang Walmart sa loob.
It smells American.
Ha?
I feel
Smells like American. Tahimik, look. Diba? Gandang mag-shopping dito. Dito sa Walmart, magandang mamili ng mga shorts. Titingnan mo lang mga pants, kahit mga Levi's, pantrabaho. May mga nakalagay minsan yung yellow tag, that's clearance sale. Yan, oh. Ito yung mga paborito ko. Ganito.
looks like that.
Yeah,
It's the same one.
it's the same thing. This is all Walmart.
What?
Yeah. Sarap mamili dito sa US. Dami nilang pagpipilian. Wala kang makikitang ano dito, naka-turban. Mga workers. No. Clearance. Oh, that's big. Gaganda ng mga oranges nila dito. Ha?
Look at
Ito, wala nang question guys, sa border. Wala na, dahil nasa loob ako ng Amerika. So this one is product by New Jersey. Product of South Africa. Gaganda, oh.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's smaller than here.
Yeah. You want this? Cherries, oh. $4. Ganda ng klase, oh. Man, $4 lang. Okay na ako sa orange. Tara.
I know something about this. Oh, you know how jiggly this is? You
Yeah.
know how jiggly this is?
What's that?
It's like
Jiggle?
a box. So it can move.
Really?
Yeah, it can move.
You want this? Huh? You want?
Yeah,
Sure? Huh?
yeah. I'll just keep it in the freezer.
Yeah. Kita nyo no? Laki ng Walmart. Full stock ang Walmart. Pero wala masyadong mga bumibili. Hi there, morning. I mean, wala masyadong tao. Siguro, maybe it's morning pa. Kaya wala pang masyadong tao. 8 pa lang eh.
Keystone. I know that.
Meron silang beers dito. Oh, may mga alak. American whiskey, bourbon. Oh, meron ka na dyan whiskey. Yan o, cinnamon. Tanging sa US lang merong tinda na liquor sa loob ng Walmart. Sa Canada wala.
FIFA beer.
Yeah, sa Canada walang bintahan. Mismo sa liquor store ka talaga bibili ng vodka yan. Wow, $48. Oh. $28. Made from France. Smirnoff. 15. Kaso lang hindi ako mahilig uminom. Meron ba kang Titos, oh? Vodka. Product of Texas. Oh, it's $9, bro. Yeah, $9. So nag-alarm siya. Pag binuksan mo yan, nag-alarm. Daming mga alak, no? Tara, sa toys tayo. You want some toys? Para yan sa mga baby. Gusto mo ito? Stroller? Ha? Sakay kita dyan.
Can I just sit?
No.
I think I can sit.
Sasakay kita dito?
Wait, I know how to do this. This can only go like
Yeah.
that.
Tara. Liran siya. Kung ito lang sana ay sa may ganitong price sa Walmart siguro in Canadian. Laki, oh. 75 Smart TV.
Why is there white YouTube and there's
So may
black?
may YouTube na nga, may Netflix.
Look, why is it black?
I don't know. It's two YouTube, right? Dating 500 nakasell. Kaso lang pag bibili ka nito, saan mo ilalagay sa truck?
This is the literal remote control.
So guys, hindi na siya masyado sa mga laruan. Ang dami ng laruan. Ha?
What is this? Vinny Jr.
What's that? Oh,
It's
Vinny?
He's from Brazil.
Ah, yung anak ni Ronaldo?
No, it's like that's a player.
Oh, that's a player.
He was the captain for the first Brazil.
What? It scared me, bro. What are you doing? No. It scared me, bro.
I don't know how to do that. I remember who broke one of this for me.
Ah, sinira mo na yun sa inyo.
No, that was Uwa. Because he took it from me.
For real? Daming tao na. Tara. Oh, wala na. Dito. You wanna go here?
You have a gun.
Meron ka pa dun sa bahay. We're gonna play that. Ano? Yung ganito mo.
Remember I have an Enderman?
What's that?
I got it. I like this.
What's that?
It's like Roblox.
Block strokes. You want that?
Yeah.
Sure.
What is this?
What's
That's
that?
$9.
What's that? Put him down.
Look at this.
Put him.
So
What's that?
it's
Ah, yung ulo?
it's the same as this.
Ah, anong gagawin dito?
And like you open it and there's like a screeching sound. Like you can like
Ah,
one of these. Let's get the small one.
you want this?
Yeah, that. What's that?
I don't like fishing.
You can get that for art.
Ah, okay. Flashlights. Minsan may mga sale dito na kutsilyo eh.
Drain plug. This is for the drain.
Ah, rollback. Oh. $26. Maganda na mga gamit. Itong ganitong brand, oh, maganda. Ozark Trail. May mga knife sila sa US na ganitong brand sinisell nila.
Chain.
Oh yeah, I got a lot of chains. So baka may makita ako.
It's like for the truck.
Huh?
It's for the truck.
Yeah, I
so it
got.
doesn't
No, there's a
fall.
pickup truck. Oh, meron nga silang axe, oh. Swiss. Wow.
Is it for baking?
Ang ganda ng axe na to. That's $49.
Well,
Ito yung sinasabi ko.
we need this because we always go outside
Yeah.
and we get stung by mosquitoes.
Kompleto na
so
siya.
we do the egg thing. Oh, what is this? A machete?
Machete, yeah. Camping tools.
So like to cook meat?
Di ba, mahilig kayo mag-camping sa mga viewers, di ba? Pero I think nabibili nyo lang to sa US. Dapat meron kayo nito. Machete,
We don't have that in
knife.
Canada.
No? Yeah, wala to sa Canada.
There's an axe.
Ito yung ano, ito yung gusto ko. $11. Hindi siya naka-sell. Ito ay allowed kang magdala nito. Okay, per packet purposes lang. So, packet purposes, personal purposes lang. Pwede siya. Okay, hindi bawal ito. Kasi may ano yan eh. Standard sila na length. Na pwede kang magdala. So, multi-purpose to siya. Tool. Separated knife, blade, fire. Pwede siyang fire starter.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
Yeah, bibili ako nito. Isa.
Well, if I was doing baseball, it wouldn't fit.
Yeah. May ano din, lagari. Folding saw. Ito, meron bibili ako nito. Pang regalo.
Wow.
Yeah. Ito maganda. Marami siyang purpose. Wire cutter. Hindi na. Next time na lang pagbalik ko. Ito maganda, 29 eh. Swiss stick. Yeah, wala yan dito. Yung mga ganitong brand. I think wala sa... ito machete. Be. Doon machete.
No.
Yeah, yes, machete.
You can't allow that in the border.
Itong bawal.
What is this called? A double knife?
Yeah.
Let's get down.
What's this? Hand warmer,
This glass.
$9. Ang ganda, Ano siya? Yung tawag na, snuffling. Yeah. I think I'm not really sure kung meron sa Canadian Tire nito. Not sure.
They have a baseball that can bounce.
Oh. Yeah, I'm not really sure. Pero sa Walmart wala. Swiss Tech. So bibili ako nito bago may regalo ko lang.
Oh look. You can practice your like baseball.
Yeah. Maganda rin, machete. Ito maganda. Double purpose. Meron ako nito. Nandun sa box. Just in case ba. American hickory. US breed talaga siya.
You can only lose that.
Sorry. Kunti lang yung binili namin. Ano lang. Kailangan ko lang ng orange. And then, ano pa yung binili mo? Ice cream? Love you. Yeah. Check ko lang yung aking load, ha? Then, we're gonna go. Sabi ko sa inyo, masarap yung orange dito. Sana matamis. Dali siyang balatan. Tamis?
Can I see it? Oh, that's I didn't even get one.
maganda yung curves nila.
Turn right on
Kasi
4th
maluwag.
Avenue Southwest, then take the first right.
Walang problema yung pagliko ng RGN. May iba kasi na kanto-kanto ang curve. Kaya yung mga truck cutter ang puti. Anyway, balik kami sa aming route. So pwede kaming umalis again. Pwede kaming umalis sa aming route.
Turn right at the
Like
traffic light,
1.6
then take
miles.
the second left.
1.6 kilometers para mag-grocery or ano yung gusto mong gawin, fuel, shower. Na-remember mo yung sinabi ko before sa'yo? Na tracking is important, right? Why?
So everyone can get
The what?
stuff.
We cannot get our stuff, no?
Yeah.
No fuel,
No
No.
boats.
no logs, no houses,
And no food.
no food, no grocery, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we don't have trucks.
Because we don't have trucks. So how about like if I have car, I can hold lugs or I can hold big stuff like this. Pwede ba yun?
Can't.
Why?
Because it's too small.
Small. So you need big vehicles?
Yeah, we need big trucks so we can like get a trailer because trailers are like metal and then the back.
So we're so lucky, no? May mga truck drivers na nagsasacrifice, no? Kasi paggising natin, if we would like to grocery, everything is there na, no? Like eggs, foods. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip, oh, bakit walang ganito at walang ganito, because those truck drivers, yung mga nag-haul, nag-deliver na sila sa store, right? Kaya every time makakita kayo ng trucks, when you guys grow old, like, say thank you. Without trucks, we are homeless. Kagaya niya ng windmill. Pwede ba yung i-haul ng car?
No.
No.
So
That's-
big,
No.
right?
You're gonna have to like need a truck so you can like put it in separate pieces.
Oh,
And then
yeah,
assemble it.
that's too big. That's too long.
And too tall.
Yeah, anong nagagawa ng windmill?
For electricity.
I-generate electricity? Yeah.
Because the only side that's working, but this side no.
Kagaya niyan, yung mga corn. Paano i-harvest yung corn na yan kung walang machine sa likod, right? So paano tayo makakain ng mais, oil, cornstarch? Then let's shout together in 1, 2, 3. Let's go, truckers, okay? Thank you, truckers, okay? And 1, 2, 3. Thank you, truckers. Lagay nila. What? Kasya ba to? Kita nyo yung sikip. Bawal dito ang 12-13 wide. Holy, parang bago lang to, men.
Take exit 62 on the right to 32nd Avenue South. Turn left at the traffic light.
Top up ng fuel. Half tank na lang, oh. Hindi na kaya to hanggang, kaya pa naman siya hanggang matapos ang detour, but sagad-sagad na to. Ito yung aking detour ng North Dakota. Exit ng 100, 1100.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first left.
I know, right? talaga ako to sa Langaw na. Kanina pa talaga to. It's my time.
Turn left. Arriving at Loves Fargo on the right.
Dito kami nag-refuel bago pagpasok ng Canada, pagpasok ng Amerika. Bago naman kami papasok ng Amerika, sometimes doon ako nagre-refuel sa Drayton. Kung wala sanang detour, abot yung fuel hanggang doon, mga 1 hour. Para mas full tank siya pagpasok na talaga ng Canada. Pag sa loob ng truck stop, may mga driver na bibilis nila, man. Bilis na magpatakbo. 15 lang dito, 15 or 10 miles an hour. Guwapo. Guwapo tingnan. Looking for a good spot. Puro ano. Yun, may iniwan na naman na truck doon ah. Na naman, no? Walang tao. Grabe talaga itong mga tao. Believe talaga ako. Believe talaga ako sa mga truck driver dito. May McDonald's kasi dyan sa loob. So, bibili na McDonald's. Iwanan ng truck. Susundutin ko to para umalis to eh. Fuel up. Tagal dyan. EF 7159. Yes. naman siya. Kaya pala lumilipad siya eh. Pansin sa kanina. Yan, hindi na yan nagre-refuel. Nilagay lang niya yung nozzle para kumbaga hindi siya masisita kasi may nozzle pang nakasukbit sa kanyang tangke. Kuwari lang yan or mahina yung pagkalagay para yung 30 minutes break niya buo. Okay, parking lang tayo dito. Doon sa unahan para hindi tayo makasagabal.
Are we gonna stay here?
No, all the time pa tayo. Kasi meron pa akong 2 hours. So doon tayo mag-stop para pag may mag-fuel up. Kahit magtagal tayo doon, hindi tayo nakakasagabal sa kanila.
So are we gonna get home today?
Ha?
Are we gonna go home?
Tomorrow morning. You guys. Kasi may mga nagre-refuel sa likod eh. Makakalabas na sa Lazan. Okay. Tara. Okay. Okay yun guys, yung aking oras ay 2 hours and 18 minutes. Yun na lang yung natira sa aking 11 hours kanina. 2 hours and 11 minutes. Nag-start kami 5 o'clock. Then yung aking destination dahil may detour
Please
kami.
drive to highlighted route.
Kaya di ako makabot ng border eh. 1 hour and 49. So matitirahan lang ako dyan ng mga 20 minutes almost. 171? Seriously? Alas 5 mag-alas 6 kami darating doon. Rest area yung aking tutumbukin today. 1 hour 49. Sana nga umabot. Yan. Kaya siguro. Anyway, pusing ko lang itong aking 30 minutes break. Yeah, let's go. 30 na. Love you. You're good? Nag-bihis ka? Yan ang sunod mo kayo na?
But I smell water.
Really?
So don't make the same mistake as me instead.
You're bored? You're going home tomorrow?
I don't want to go home.
Huh?
I don't want to go home.
Why? Mama miss you so much.
I like doing this.
You like doing this?
Yeah.
No. Mama is crying.
Should have been at the age.
If you have no soccer balls, no? Monday, I'm gonna bring you until I off. But you have a summer camp on Monday, right? You need to be home.
I have to be home that day.
I'm not sure.
I'm gonna do a hat trick. Hat trick. That means
Really?
I'm gonna score
No,
3 goals.
tell Ada to take a video so I can see it, okay? Ayaw ba niyang umuwi?
Turn right.
Didiretso ako dun. Bukas. Not today. Bukas. Wala nang oras.
If what did you come home?
Might be Sunday, Saturday.
So,
Can you take it off? Yung ano, yun. Yeah. Itaas mo. Come on. I wanna see the highway. Okay, that's it. Mahirap mag-cross. Delikado to. Yeah, malayo pa. Nandun pa ako aking ano, detour. So we're gonna stay here tonight.
here?
Yeah.
Arriving at the destination.
We were here before.
No,
We're like,
no. It's your first time.
we're
No,
on our trip.
no. It's different.
Oh. It looks similar to this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, tinakpan na ng isang truck yung saan ang dadaan ng ano? We're gonna take 2 parking spots.
Well, we're sleeping here tonight.
We're gonna stay here. Excuse me.
We're gonna taste this, see if it's good.
Girl, that's the best jelly can I've ever tasted. Taste it.
Yeah. And finally, we have the whipped cream, lemon, or vanilla.
Louder, it says we're gonna do it loud.
Whew, thank you, Lord.
Thank you. We did it. We completed our
Oh, I'm
mission.
so
And
tired.
It's worth it because you can literally only get that there.
So tired, bre. You have to massage me now.
I want to tell you that I legitimately waited an hour and a half for just to
Ah,
Hour and a half? Is that really the cutest thing
love you. What?
We
You're good?
had to pretend to sprinkle it, eat it.
Oh, pagod.
It was so cute.
So yung 11 hours, 17 minutes na lang yung natira.
I'm so sick.
So gumamit ako ng 10 hours and 43
Oh, that's my surprise.
minutes.
Thank you.
Ilang-
You bought me a car. Right.
Pero yung aking miles ay 586 miles lang siya.
Two.
Dahil nga sa daming detour, mabagal, slow down. Dapat yung mga 10 hours na yan nasa nasa mga 1,000 kilometer ang aking tinakbo pag straight. Pag detour, wala. Malayo pa ako. Ito pa. Tatakbo pa ako dito 18 and then 17, bababa ako dito 17, then babalik ulit ako sa I-29 papunta na ng border ng Canada. Bukas pala, Bi, oh. Yan, oh, bumukas, oh. Kaya mong i-secure to?
How?
Can you chain up this one like this?
I can't.
Huh?
I can't.
You can't?
How do people get up here?
This ladder here.
It's so high.
This ladder.
You can't get up there.
You wanna get inside? Did you see my camera? There, oh. Yan, oh. Yan sa bakal, oh. Yeah.
You have a camera?
Yeah. Careful. Wag na dyan. Come here. Ayaw pa niyang umuwi. Dirty. Madumi yung ano. No. Ito.
Oh, that? Well, you can get up here. That's so much change.
Yeah, I got lots of change here.
Oh my god. Do you use this to like tighten the...
Yeah, that's where I tied it from here.
Use that?
Here, look.
Does it get tight?
Yeah. You wanna try? That's heavy.
I bet I can do it.
Huh?
I can do it.
That's heavy. Look here at the back. It's heavy, no? It's big. It's monster. Look how I secure here.
Huh?
How many chains?
1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2? You have to...
3, 4, and 5 on the side.
What? So you have to secure it 5 times?
Yeah, cause it's heavy.
How can this chair retrieve this? This is so...
Naalala ko before, nagpi-pre-trip ka sa aking truck pag dinadala ko yung truck sa bahay. You ask a lot.
What is
Dami niya kasing tanong before nung bata pa siya. Every time na darating ako sa bahay, tatanong siya. I don't know what's that. Hydraulic?
I think up there, that's where all the weed goes.
Yeah, it's correct. It's here.
Oh, to there.
Not weed, like the grains, the corn.
That's where it's...
Dito, oh. Yan, oh. Kita mo yan?
Oh, that?
Yeah, pag once na na-harvest na niya dun sa front, pupunta dito sa likod, sa stock. And then itatransfer niya sa cart, yung malaki. Yung parang dump truck na lalagyan ng cart. Anong, yun o, mga mais.
Like that?
Yeah, yan, mga corn. Then yung sobra, I think, dito tatapon. I'm not sure. So yan, nai-extend na siya, be. Na-extend niya siya doon. Pag nandito yung cart, nandito yung harvest, dito yung cart. So tinatransfer niya doon sa cart yung product.
What is this for?
Yan ang magta-transfer ng yung like the mais.
That's where it goes.
Iba yung style ng parking dito atras. Oh, babae pa ng driver to. Hello. Babae yung driver.
Is that what cuts it?
Ha?
Is that what cuts it?
Yeah. No, I think ito yung ito yung magta-transfer. You know.
I think it spins. And then that's where it goes.
It's heavy, no? You know the price, right? How much?
$1 million.
$1 million? Yeah. This is $1 million.
It takes like 1 years to build.
No, it's like months
Months.
or weeks.
Is this
Dito,
all
no,
metal?
dito yung ilalagay nila ang isang gulong na malaki. Then dun sa front yung dalawang gulong.
I know, like, cause they're like at the small one here and then
Yeah, the
at
small
big
one. Yeah, the small one here.
Cause look,
the
they're
big
different
one.
sizes.
Yeah.
That's like this one's, that one's up for the big one. That one's down for the small one.
Yeah, they're gonna put first one tire here inside, then one outside. Grabe, ang laki nito. Massive. $1 million load. Anyway, papalipas kami ng gabi ngayon dito dahil wala na talagang oras. Iba din yung style ng ano niya. What's that?
What? This would be after the
The heaters.
and this is where it goes through.
Yeah. Goes here. Iba din yung ano niya. I don't know what's that. Parang sign niya pag umikot ang gulong niya. It's easy or what?
What?
It's easy to drive a truck? Huh? Is it easy to drive a truck?
No.
No? That's how hard it is, my son. It's hard driving all day, right? Right? Yeah, so yun ang purpose kung bakit ko sila sinama. Walang school, at then para makita din niya. Kasi nung sinama ko si McCaufman ay baka mahulog ka papuntang Texas, so hindi ito ang aming load. Para makita nila ba kung paano ko sila binuhay sa Manobela. Have a good night.